up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm in the kitchen right now and I'm about to try something that I just picked up from the grocery store. I happened to see it because I've been wanting to make some potatoes, and I just seen this bag and I said, hey, I'm gonna give it a try. And I just want to show you guys, you know, what it was, and if you ever seen this or if you may want to try it yourself. Just wanted to turn the camera on and show you guys, but let me show you what I'm talking about. You guys, I picked this up from the grocery store. It is some petite yellow potatoes. I guess it's by Fresh Size, if that's the name of it. I'm not quite sure. But what it is clean, quick, easy, no pots, no pans. It's already washed, ready to cook, and no peeling necessary. You could create it your own way. So what it's saying is you can season and steam right in the bag. Only takes 8 minutes. Prepare whole, half, smashed, quartered, sliced, or diced. And what I'll probably, you know, I'm going to warm it up and then probably eat it as it is, or just cut it in half and add some more seasoning or whatever. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the bag and put some seasoning on it, probably some salt and pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, my regulars that I usually do, and I probably add a little bit of liquid smoke. Not sure, but I know I'm going to do my regulars. As you see, it says you can create hot or cold side salad, soups, mashed, and more. But like I said, I just wanted to try this out just because I seen it in the store, and I was like, okay, because I do have a bag right here that I need to cook some russet potatoes. I need to do some time this week because you guys, you know, I cannot stand when like the sprouts come out of them. It makes my skin fall. Okay, anyway, I need to do something with those. But today I'm going to use this because I want to give it a try. And yeah, we're going to do it right now so you guys can see how it turns out. Okay, I'm going to go back on the dotted line. They say that it's washed, but you guys, I'm going to wash it again anyway. I told you I don't like those things sticking out, but I'm going to just run some water over them anyway, just to be on the safe side. Okay, now that I have washed them again, I'm going to go ahead and add in my seasonings. I have some garlic, no, it's onion powder. Just going to sprinkle it in there. I'm gonna give it all a shake. Once I finish, you can never get enough of onion powder or garlic powder. I love my staples. This is the garlic powder. Just sprinkle some in there. Take some black pepper. I need to get some more in there. Okay. I have some pink Himalayan salt, which is about gone. As you see, you guys, I need to restock up on my seasonings. And I want to try some other kind of seasonings too. You know, I don't want to stick with like the same thing. Well, it's nothing wrong with, you know, having your staples, but I want to add like some more variety or some more flavor to my dishes because I'm eating more vegetables now, you guys, which that's another video that I'm going to share with you guys. But I do, this is liquid smoke. I'm just going to add a little on here, but I do want to add more flavor, or just trying different flavors in my dishes. Okay, so I'm just going to shake this up. I know you guys don't want to hear all this rattling, so I'm just going to play a little music over while I do this. that I have shook it all up, I'm actually going to leave it sealed, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 8 minutes. Also, you guys, I will be eating some leftover broccoli with it as well. I've learned that I have a love for broccoli. You know, before I've been trying this new way of eating healthier, I used to put cheese on it, and it's the only way that I would eat broccoli, mainly. But now that, like I said, I'm trying something different, eating more plant-based, I'm just eating it just like it is and add some seasoning. Of course, my favorites: garlic, onion powder, pepper, salt, and some liquid smoke, and it is so good. And I'll add some paprika on top too if I'm feeling like it. But yeah, I'm going to be eating that with the potatoes, but I will show you guys how it looks when it comes out. Okay, so I just took it out of the microwave. It's really, really hot. Have to be careful taking it out. Have to grab at least the corner of it, not the actual bag, because the bag is hot. So I grabbed the corner. Now I'm about to open. As you see, the steam is coming out. Get me a fork, and I'm gonna put it on my paper plate. Okay. I'm just gonna put some on the plate and put some back in the bowl. I'll probably eat about 4. This is for me, and I'll save the rest for Hun if he wants some. All right. So now I'm gonna kind of have oh yes. See how tender it is. What I'm gonna do is cut them in just different parts and make it easier for me to eat. Yes, I might add some more. I have some complete seasoning. That's just a different mixture of other seasonings as well. It has garlic and onion powder as well in it, and probably some some parsley or cilantro. Not quite sure. It's just a mixture of greens, but it's really good. But I know for sure I'm ready to dig in. I know a lot of you guys probably like, all those potatoes. Look up the starch solution. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll explain more about that in another video, but check it out. I need to warm this up before I plate it. Let me warm this up real quick. Okay, just warm my broccoli up. I'm just gonna put some on there as well. Put about all of it, to be honest. Let's see. All right, that'll work. You guys, I'm about to throw down, okay? All right, so this is how it's looking. Okay, see the potatoes, the seasoning on it, the broccoli. Now we're just gonna give it a taste. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little of paprika on my potatoes. Broccoli too. Now, perfect. All right, so now I'm going to give it a taste. Bon appetit. Good. Guys, I'm actually going to dip it a little bit in some mustard, honey mustard. Just a little bit of it. I'm gonna dip it in there. Broccoli good as always. I'm so glad. Excuse me, guys. I'm so glad I'm changing how I'm eating. And once you put the flavors on your vegetables or whatever you're eating, oh, it's so good. You just gotta season it good. But like I said, I'm about to put some of this and dip it in there. Okay. But anyway, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching me cook my easy, simple potatoes. I'm telling you, I love easy and simple recipes. That's all I'm here for. You know it. And of course, I have to share and show you guys. But that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.